What's up, guys? I'm back with a little video. Today I got my car in the lift. The things about being a mechanic and working on other people's stuff, you don't never have enough time to work on your own stuff. But yeah, this is my 98 Accord. This is the one that we're gonna put the F20B in. Due to financial reasons right now, I kind of pushed it to probably about the springtime or whatever. But what I'm going to do today is we're going to drop the oil pan and we're going to see what bearing. Hopefully it's a rod bearing. I know it's a rod bearing spun on it. I don't recommend doing this to like a customer's vehicle. I mean, this is the biggest Hail Mary in the world. But long story short, I'm going to put rod bearings in it. Just to get it where I can still drive it around and stuff. Because my van I'm doing some work to it too. I want to keep the miles down on it. I use it mostly to pull cars and a work van. But my Accord, this is my baby. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put rod bearings in it and go from there. If it works, good. If not, I'm just going to have to wait till I get the money up where I can put my F20B in it. And yes, it's an automatic. And yes, it's still going to be an automatic once I put the other motor in it. Everybody has their own style of building cars and modifying them. I'm going to try to keep mine original, but different motor, kind of a sleeper wise. 1 second, guys. I already got the exhaust pipe unloosed up there, the manifold. Those are always a pain in the ass to get loose. These 3 bolts right here, you can never get them undone 90% of the time. So what I do is I just unbolt it up top, put a ratchet strap around the wheel, and just pull the whole exhaust to the side. Supposed to be a plate right here around the transmission. I don't have it on mine. I left it off because it was busted, and I said screw it, I don't care. Brand new torque converter. Y'all already know I rebuilt this transmission in my car. But yeah, we're gonna drop this oil pan, take all the tins out, and we're gonna see if we can spin the motor a little bit by hand to see which rod is spunt. But I got a whole pack of rod bearings, and we're gonna go from there. And I do got this on my handmade lift I made. I mean, it makes the job a whole lot easier. Some of these bolts are already broke loose. Make the job go a little faster. Oh, it's already drained. Some of these bolts over to the side. Then I went in my pocket. Got that one. Got this other one ducked behind the camera. Like I said, this is a Hail Mary job. I hope it works. That way I can have this car on the road again. I can drive it. It might last for a little 200,000 miles, or it might last a month. But like I said, due to financial reasons, I just can't get the stuff I need to put the other motor in it right now. I mean, I am monetized on YouTube, but at the same time, my videos are not getting that many views. So if I don't get no views or no more subscribers, YouTube don't pay me basically nothing. I mean, you do a lot of hard work making these videos. Say if the video is an hour long, I get 100 views. Hell, that's only like 10 or 20 cents I'm making. I mean, that's nothing. You know what I mean? What am I gonna do with 20 cents? So, if I was a bigger YouTuber like these other guys out there, get 15,000 views or 30,000 views on a video, I mean, heck, they making $100 to $200 on each video. Shit, I think I got all the bolts out. I'm always missing one. But if y'all get to what I'm saying, y'all understand. An hour video, and then 3 hours or 4 hours of editing, and then at the end of the day, you only get 100 views and only make 20 cents. It ain't worth it. Let me go get a flathead that I can get this pan off, guys. Alright. You just shove a screwdriver in it. Like I said, I might tear some shit up a little bit, but let's see here. Hopefully I don't drop all over the freaking hammer. This has been a good motor, guys. Darn time belt broke on me. Time belt broke one time. There ain't no big pieces of metal in the pan. That's good. Crap. Ain't no big piece of metal. Wow. So, I mean, hopefully it's a wide bearing. We just don't know yet. Let's see here. This is gonna be a part 2 on this video because I gotta take this joint off and everything. But let me see if I can turn this thing over by hand. Hold on one second, guys. Alright, so I got this one right here. This is gonna be cylinder number 3. See, it's tight. I can't get to the other ones just yet. Let me zoom y'all out. My God. Can't get to the other ones just yet. Let me see if I can turn over to cylinder 4. Got a good question. That's some blow by. Let's see, here's cylinder 4. Cylinder 4 is tight. So my problem's gonna be over here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this oil pickup off and see if I can get up in there. There's a couple of tins right here. Just take all these tins out. Take 2 tins out right here. Take the oil pickup off. And we're gonna go from there. Like I said, it'll be a part 2 of me replacing the bearings. And I'll be taking this journal off. But right now, we're just gonna see what we're looking at first. Alright. So here we go. Here's cylinder number 1. And these are also tight too. So hopefully the problem's on cylinder. Hopefully it's on cylinder 2. If it ain't on cylinder 2, I'm gonna have a main bearing that's spunked on this thing. Oh, I can see it right here. I can always see it. Cylinder 2 moved. There she is. So there's my wad knock right there, cylinder 2. Cylinder 2 is no good. So, like I said, it'll be a part 2, and we'll go from there. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and like it, and if you're a new viewer, and we'll go from there, guys. Thank you.